guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to discuss about storing procedure in refrigerator. So, as you can see guys, we have top and bottom in our refrigerator. At the top, you can put meat, ice cream, fish, or any other frozen food. In the next storage, which is under the freezer, you can put a ready-to-eat like fish, chicken, or other food that is ready to eat. On the next storage, you can put also here a vegetable or ready to eat. On the lowest part of the refrigerator, you can put here a fruits, drinks, and also you can use this storage for your food ingredients like patatas, tomato, onion, garlic, etc. On the last part discussion, we have food safety and storage. First bullet, keep high-risk food at 5 degrees Celsius or below or above 60 degrees Celsius to avoid the temperature danger zone and food poisoning. Sa first bullet, dapat panatilihin at balanse ang ating temperatura kapag tayo ay nagluluto para maiwasan ang food poisoning o pagkalason. On the second bullet, store raw food below cooked food. Sa second bullet is kailangan natin ihiwalay ang mga pagkain na luto at hilaw. On the third bullet, store food in suitable covered container. On the third bullet, kung tayo ay mag-iimbak ng pagkain, kinakailangan na ang ating iimbak na pagkain ay angkop sa ating lagayan. On the fourth bullet, check and observe the use by dates on food products. On the fourth bullet, siguraduhin at suriin nating mabuti ang mga ingredients na ating ilalagay sa ating pagkain ay hindi pa expired. On the last part, take special care with high-risk food. On the last part, mag-iingat tayo sa mga pagkain may mataas na panganib, gaya na lamang kung ang ating pagkain ay matagal na nakaimbak sa refrigerator.